Kajing penbena ya ka kubor babha na ka gospel Lukas ka lenong paningkong ka dekhot pasan hadu arpsan. La penbena ya ka jingkha u Yohanes. Tong ini duai lang ya kani ka jing duai ba ka tienu blai kan song ne song sa ha ka donut ha ka mensim jungi. Ku blai ba isin ai tu pensle yang ada mensim ba khu jong mi. Kabang adang puli ya ka tien ka jong mi. Ai bangan yo sngo ya ka sur jong mi ka ba pasyau. Haka mensim jonga ayanga ka jingsta jing shempang man sngo tu e ka kubor ba mi ayanga ay ba ka ktien ka jong mi kan long ka jingkmen ya ka donu jonga ba ka sharak ya ki kjat jonga ayanga ka bor bante ya ka jing im jonga halor ka ktien jong mi tu ay ba ki ai baro kin long hanga kat kum ka ktien jong mi pen kemen yang habang ayo sngo yang ktien ka jong mi bat bangan ri kendong ya ka kren ko try nga ka shakri jong mi nga sngam kuble shibon jisu yaro yemi jisu. Ktien ublay na gospel u Lukas kalenong baningkong gadkhot basan hadu arpsan. Menba u Herod ulalong siem ka Judea ladan uwei ulingdo uba keteng u Sekharia na kakenhun le niam u Abija. Katengah jong uru kabakateng ka Elizabeth kalong na kajaj u Aaron. Baro arngut kila im ka jing im ka babha hakmat ublay bat larakhi bha yaki hukum bat ki an baro jong utray. Kim shim don khun don kti namarba ka Elizabeth kalalong ka balingki. Bat baro arngut kila no ka karta. Hakaway gasngi u Zekharia udang syakri kum ulingdo ahmat ublay baladay kapali jong u kat kum kadustur baday yakilingdo lahab benta hau bantang jing iubi halor kaduan kumta ulalay rung haka temple utray kat ba upaj ba udang duay habar hakapor thang jing iubi tiu angel utray ulapaw hau uyeng hakamon jong kaduan jing iubi haba u Zekharia ulayo iya u ula pisa jing mud ba ula ting hang tau angel ula ong hau wat ting ko Zekharia ublay ulayo sngo ya ka jing duay jong pi bat ka tengah jong pi ka Elizabeth kan sayo khun pensa ay kerteng Yohanes ya u kat nu pensa kemen bat sngo sok bat kat no ken shat kemen shibun kiwe pat andala khaya u unsalong ubakraw hakmat utray un om di wain ni jingdi bakhor naduk po ka kemi jung u sedap da umensim bakun. Sa penpa biang ya ubun ki Israel sya utrai ublay jungki. Ublay hi yalam ya banlong ubaklan bakrau bor kung Elijah ban penyasuk biang ya ki kpa ki kun ban penpa ya ki riu tam sneng sya ka jingsta jongki bahok. Ban penkre ya upai babet ya utrai. Zekaria ulakeli ya angel. Kumno ngantip ya kani. Ngala teman bakatanga jongaru kalayau kata. Ngalong Gabriel la jubab angel. Ngayang khmat ublay yang lapha banyathu hapi ya kani ka kubor babha. Henry namar ba phimshem langet ya ka kubor jonga kaban sa urlong habala biang kapor kaya phin sate uthlit phin omlai krenshu hadu kata kasngi ba on sa pendap ya ka jingkular jonga kipai ba kiya ap ya Zekaria kidas ngolengo balai uslam kata ha ka temple anda ulami shem lai krenshu kumta kilas ngothu ba ulayu jing itu pau ha ka temple ba shem lai kren wat shikentin la shu ai dak haki dakikti andala dep kapor shakri jong ha ka temple Zekaria ulalet pai shalaying hadien katu ka nepor katanga jong ka Elizabeth kalapun kun bat kam shammi na yeng kumba san benai khadu khadwai utrai ulale yang ada kumni kalaong ulapen laj yang na ka jingnyo ben kibreu.
In the time of Herod, king of Judea, there was a priest named Zechariah, who belonged to the priestly division of Abijah. His wife Elizabeth was also a descendant of Aaron. Both of them were righteous in the sight of God, observing all the Lord's commands and decrees blamelessly. But they were childless, because Elizabeth was not able to conceive, and they were both very old. Once, when Zechariah's division was on duty, and he was serving as priest before God, he was chosen by lot, according to the custom of the priesthood, to go into the temple of the Lord and burn incense. And when the time for the burning of incense came, all the assembled worshippers were praying outside. Then an angel of the Lord appeared to him, standing at the right side of the altar of incense. When Zechariah saw him, he was startled and was gripped with fear. But the angel said to him, "Do not be afraid, Zechariah. Your prayer has been heard. Your wife Elizabeth will bear you a son, and you are to call him John. He will be a joy and delight to you, and many will rejoice because of his birth, for he will be great in the sight of the Lord. He is never to take wine or other fermented drink, and he will be filled with the Holy Spirit even before he is born. He will bring back many of the people of Israel to the Lord their God. And he will go on before the Lord in the spirit and power of Elijah, to turn the hearts of the parents to their children, and the disobedient to the wisdom of the righteous, to make ready a people prepared for the Lord. Zechariah asked the angel, "How can I be sure of this? I am an old man, and my wife is well along in years." The angel said to him, "I am Gabriel. I stand in the presence of God, and I have been sent to speak to you and to tell you this good news. And now you will be silent and not able to speak until the day this happens, because you did not believe my words, which will come true at their appointed time." Meanwhile, the people were waiting for Zechariah and wondering why he stayed so long in the temple. When he came out, he could not speak to them. They realized he had seen a vision in the temple, for he kept making signs to them but remained unable to speak. When his time of service was completed, he returned home. After this, his wife Elizabeth became pregnant, and for 5 months remained in seclusion. "The Lord has done this for me," she said. "In these days he has shown his favor and taken away my disgrace among the people."
Jingye ro eme ku Chris